So I'm actually going to disassemble the Briggs Stratton carburetor, and the first thing I've done, remove this screw, and this is actually the main jet screw, so it adjusts the amount of fuel going into the engine, as well, but the idle adjustment or the mixture adjustment also does that. But this is, well, I'm not going to get into it too much, but this is the main jet. And you take it off, you get those two off, get this off, and I have to do that in order to pull the carburetor apart. And the reason I'm actually going to disassemble this carburetor is because the float is not closing properly, so it's flooding the engine. And the way I could tell that is when I had the engine running and I had the pipe off, this is what I could see. There was actually some fuel here, some gas that stopped here, so that's telling me. And the ultimate test that I do is, this is old-fashioned, is I just blow into the fuel pipe here, and right now it should be closed because there's actually it should be open. You turn it upside down so that it says the fuel was closed, as if it was full of fuel. Then I blow on it. That's actually not too bad. So, but you should open the carburetor and clean out the bowl every once in a while. And this engine's from 1954. Probably nobody ever did this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. It's fairly easy. So this is what it looks like. There's the fuel bowl. There's a needle. It's actually pretty clean. And there's our so that needle, main jet, actually sticks up through here. Like that. So fuel actually goes in here on the outside of this bowl. Then it goes through that hole, past this thing somehow. I think it goes inside here. Yeah, it must go inside here. Then it goes into the engine through here. So, and that thing, this needle adjusts that amount. So that's what it looks like. Genius and simple. All right, I'm going to reassemble this and see how it works.